Good morning, friends. And I always, whatever I said earlier, and maybe I'm going to share in future, it's all about myself and about you. What I have realized and what I have found inside me, and what amazing happened in my life, all this important thing that, and what I found in the book, actually what I think and want say and I do. That's very important. And all everything, the secret is hidden within you. आपका पास में ही आप हो. You are the creator of your life. You have to approve that. And this is the things. It'll keep on moving you in a peace-loving world. What is going on inside is very important. Its life is very simple, and we need to learn to be how we can keep our mind, our habit, all things natural and simple. We're all natural, and it is simple thing. Always learn to be yourself. आपको सीखना है how you can act according your mind direction. Okay, the secret of the world, and from the books I have taken for you some line. There's enough for everyone. There is in this world enough for everyone. If you believe it, if you can see it, if you can act from it, it will show up for you. That is the truth. What is the truth? What you are believing, what you are seeing, future, what is your purpose, why you have come to this world, and what you can do with whatever you have. This is secret. This is learn. Learn to say yes to your potentiality. Learn to identify your, आपको खुद को पहचानना है, knowing oneself. The universe offers all things to all people through the law of attraction. There is a law of attractions like the law of gravity. What we are thinking, for what, that plan we must have. Actually, what we want. Most of the people, they're chasing for the money. Money is an illusion. You need to find out the things in picturize. What picture? No? बहुत लोग सोचते हैं पैसा मिल जाएगा तो मैं कर लूँगा. ऐसा नहीं. क्या कर लेंगे पैसा मिल जाने से? For what? That material you will exchange. जो चीज का साथ में आप मनी को exchange करेंगे, that's the thing picturize करना है. Money picturize, okay, you can attract money. But for what you need money? ना? We can exchange. क्या चीज का साथ में हम exchange कर सकते हैं? Oh, he says the universe offers all things to all people through the law of attractions. You have the ability to choose what you want to experiment. Instead of focusing on the world problem, listen, this is very important. Instead of focusing on the world's problem, give your attention and energy to the trust, love, abundance, education, and peace and relation. आपका हाथ में ही आपका जिंदगी है. ये अगर नहीं समझेंगे, आपका जिंदगी किसी का हाथ में नहीं है. All everything is with you, and learn that. And that's why I always ask you to go through books. आपको जिंदगी कम से कम every day you need to invest 3 hours time with you. 3 hours. Why? Reading books, listening CD, talking with people, and meditation, prayer, whatever you want to do, that's your part. But before you do what you do, find out why you do, for what thing, and for what thing you are ready to do anything. Is there anything for that? Very passionate, you are passionate, and you can do, and it's very emotional. We are spiritual, emotional, and through us we can we can vibration, and through that frequency, then they work. Whatever you do, it works. Life we have to create. If we are not creating by every minute, every second, it's gone. It's wastage. And take charge of your life at your hand. आपका हाथ में ले लो. And this is the opportunity we are having now through MOA and the education system. Learn how you can go along with people. That's the main thing. And I will repeatedly I'm telling you, there is the secret hidden. To know the people, you must first know yourself. Identify yourself. It's possible. Learn to self-talk. आप आपका साथ में कैसे बात करेंगे, है ना? And how do you behave with yourself? आप खुद से कितना प्यार करते हो? How you take care of the? And this is the precious gift. This is the things at your hands now, and you can use it properly. If you use it properly, amazing results. How you behave with your near and dear, how you behave with every people. आपका एटीट्यूड कैसा है ना, about regarding the world. आप बाहर दुनिया में कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. Lots of things is happening outside. You cannot do anything. Don't worry. You be a peace-loving, helping attitude people, and love. Be passionate. Be excited. Have no fear. Have faith. No fear. Always have love, no hatred, no competition with anybody. You cannot compete. कोई ना कोई आपका आगे रहेगा इस दुनिया में. So that's their own life. Everybody is running for their own race. You run your own race. And looking here and there, you are going to miss your energy. So this is the thing, friends, for today. And every day I will speak and share few little things with you, because I love you. Thank you.